know which MOSFET are used over here, because some laptop, if you got this type of laptop which is the which one is the regulator MOSFET is burned, okay, you doesn't find a number, that time you understand input side, which is the input side, okay, input side कौन सा है, means your 19 volts, means your voltage volts are coming for which side, source side or drain side. If your MOSFET get voltages over here, drain side, means MOSFET used for N-channel MOSFET used over here, and you see this is the TG MOSFET or BG MOSFET, which one is the burn, कौन सा जला हुआ है ना, तो उसके अकॉर्डिंग आपको you know ना TG MOSFET always a high value, okay, तो आपको ये नंबर और नाम पते से कोई मतलब नहीं रखना है, ठीक है ना, you this type you understand which MOSFET are inserted over here, N channel MOSFET or P channel MOSFET. That time what happens, you doesn't understand, you does not need to number for replacing this one MOSFET. Understand Jimmy? Yes. Exactly. क्या लगा दे? छोटा MOSFET बन गया। हाँ।
So wouldn't there be a case that maybe it's a dual power? That is.
This is the single powered MOSFET.
Okay.
I'll show you one more before. This is the single MOSFET. This is the gate. Okay, now I'll draw like this type. Now